Good morning, everyone. How are we today? Happy Sunday. So, as you can tell from the title, today we're going to be playing with the Natasha Denona Bronze palette. Man, if you haven't already seen it, which I'm sure you have, okay, so let's just stop with all the chatter and let's just get right into the tutorial. Okay, so first, of course, I'm gonna prime my lips. Okay, so I'm going to take my Fenty eyeshadow primer. We're gonna next go in with my Camel Coat paint pot for my second base. And I'm using my Morphe 7M705. Okay, so now that my eyes are prepped, we're gonna take this beautiful palette. I'm gonna use the color, I'm gonna start with Suntan. I think this is, it's upside down, but Suntan. And I like how Natasha has her name. Ooh, the names of the shadows on the actual colors, under the colors, and she also has them on the back, or it's on the box. I'm sorry, it's on the box, but still. I thought it was on the back. Okay, so the next color I'm gonna take is Magma. This one right here. I'm just gonna kind of go underneath Suntan. So, the next color, well, I'm not going to say the next color, but the next thing we're going to do is we're going to apply our glitter glue. This is the Too Faced Glitter Glue Glitter Shadow Primer. My favorite. And I'm just going to take up too much on my hand, put a little on my finger, and I mean, you could use a brush if you want to. Honestly, with glitter glue, I would use a finger. Okay, and you could probably see where I applied the glitter. So, the color that I think I'm gonna take is alloy, if that's what it's called. God. Oh, ooh, man, yes, girl. How pretty is that? How pretty is that? Okay, so since I have my nails back, I'm going to take me a rougher 02. I'm going to dip it in here. And so I can get right here in this corner on the inside. Oh my god, this color is so pretty. Alright, I'm going to take my soft definer brush and just blend all of that. And this is from Zoeva Cosmetics. I'm gonna just come on. I'm trying to get on over with my finger, because when you put it on a brush, it really does. Oh my god. Really doesn't. Now that I have my nails back, oh, yeah, look what I did. Okay, so we can, that's all right, we can fix it. Woo, ciao. I'll just go back in with my Luxe crease and let's blend this out here. Because it still has some of that Suntan and Magma mixed. So, baby girl. Oh, look at that. Look at how pretty that is. Alright, I'm going to go back in with Magma and try to get over back here in this corner. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I can't even begin to tell you how happy I am. So I'm so glad I got this palette. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take the color Sundown, and I'm just gonna just go right here. I'm just gonna kind of blend. I'm taking a rougher 14. I'm just gonna blend everything. A final blend here. I'm not smoking this out today because this is gonna be the blending color, Sundown. So this is what we have. Oh my god, it's so pretty, y'all. So pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna do my brows, liner, and lashes, and then I'm going to come back. Okay guys, I'm back. So brows, liner, and lashes are done. I actually am in a little bit of a hurry, so I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to speed up the video so you guys can see the face application, and then I'll come back quick with final remarks, and yeah, so enjoy. Hey guys, what's up? So sorry I had to abruptly like kind of speed up the video. I'm being nosy here, seeing what's going on in the parking lot, and you know, speed up the video, and then I had to get dressed. I had to fix myself up, could leave. I'm getting a pedicure, guys. I'm so excited. I haven't had one in 4 months. So I just wanted to show you guys the final look. Like, let me come in closer. Like, this is so pretty. Yeah, so real quick, I used you guys saw that I used the new Morphe bronzer I showed in my haul, and I used the Dose of Colors foundation, the Tatcha primer, and I'm definitely gonna buy a full size, a Pat McGrath concealer. What else did I put on? My Becca powder. I did use my Alamar Brightening Complexion Trio, Brightening Bronze Complexion Trio, to kind of put on as a blush on top of the Morphe bronzer. I pulled out an oldie but goodie, is the Glow With It Extra Dimension Skin Finish Highlighter. And for my lips, now I'm about to go in somewhere I obviously have to put a mask on, so I don't want to put on a lipstick or a lip gloss because it's gonna just, so I pulled this out. Now I bought this when NARS came out with their bronze collection, the summer collection. I don't know why I let this thing sit in the drawer. Maybe it wasn't meant for me to use it until now. This is the Oil Infused Lip Tint. This thing is perfect, like especially for now when we're in quarantine and we have to wear a mask everywhere we go. Instead of wearing lip gloss, you can wear this. This is so comfortable on my lips. It's not tacky, it's not sticky, and I love it. And the color is called Reef. I'm definitely going to purchase more of these, but I'll keep you posted on that. Well, I've been called in, so let me put my mask on and let me go. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.